Are you ready to discover the wildest case of hiccups ever? Hold on to your hats, meet Charles Osborne. In 1922, Charles started hiccuping and couldn't stop. That's right, he hiccuped for 68 years straight. Can you even imagine? It all began when Charles was trying to weigh a hog. Something strange happened and hiccups took over his life. Doctors tried everything, but nothing worked. He hiccuped through marriages, jobs, and even the birth of his kids. But here's the kicker. In 1990, his hiccups just stopped. No one knows why they started or why they ended. Charles Osborne holds the Guinness World Record for the longest case of hiccups ever. So next time you have the hiccups, remember Charles and his incredible 68-year journey? And take a deep breath, it could always be worse.